Suppose x and y are independent random variables with expected value of x equals 4, probability of y equals -8 equals 1/2, probability of y equals 0 equals 1/6, and the probability of y equals 3 equals 1/3. Determine the expected value of xy plus 3x. And before starting, note that I've given you the entire PDF of y, and that's because if I look at what the probabilities are, we have 1/2 plus 1/6 plus 1/3, and those add up exactly to 1. So I'm not missing any values. All right, let's start the problem. The expected value of xy plus 3x is the expected value of xy plus 3 times the expected value of x. And this always works. Doesn't have anything to do with independence. However, independence will come in to write to this next step as the expected value of x times the expected value of y plus 3 times the expected value of x. And again, this is by the independence of x and y. And so plugging in what we're given, we have 4 over here. Then in here, we're computing the expected value of y using the given probability distribution function, and then adding 3 times 4, because 4 is the expected value of x. Putting that all together, we get 0.